So we're here at AF Wake. They've been in business for about 23 years here in Lake Gaston. They do offer wakeboard lessons, wake surf lessons, wake camps for kids and adults. We're here to meet with JJ and talk about what they have to offer here at AF Wake, and here we go.
All right, welcome guys. This is the AF Wakeboard Shop. So this opened up in 2016. We moved to the location here. If you walk in, you've got a huge display of all different Adam Fields' trophies, Fields Johnson as well. They are both national and world champion wakeboarders. So all their displays here for their trophies and winnings are all throughout the shop. We also sell all your different types of gears when it comes to behind the boat, so your wakeboards, your surfboards, all those type of things, as well as your bodily gear, so wetsuits, your life jackets, even comp vests. So we sell them all here. And if you're interested in getting some of our merch, we got our merch wall located on the side with all different types of hats, sweatshirts, shirts, tank tops, you name it. All right, and so also other things that we do have to offer is we do lessons, camps, and everything like that. So we take people out on our Pro, Malibu, and Axis boats that are sponsored by Inland Boat Company. So we take people out, whether you're beginners, first timers, or in the advanced range as well. We can get you to the next level. As we're walking down towards our boat dock here, we can highlight Lake Gaston Summer Rentals. They're a sister company to AF Wake here. They rent pontoons and jet skis. They're one of the highest grossing rental companies here on the lake. So if you're looking to get out on the water, either on a pontoon or jet ski, definitely get out with them. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to get out with us, either on lessons or rentals, just visit us online at afwake.com or give us a call. If that doesn't work, just swing on by. We'll be happy to help you.